And getting in some news now from Surat in Gujarat, where police officials were targeted in the Dindoli area due to rumours, fake news of a police lathi charge spread in the area, leading to stone pelting on the police. Let me go across to Priyanka as we report another instance of COVID warriors being targeted. Priyanka.
Niranjan, a very shocking incident coming from Surat, where the police had actually was carrying out their patrolling and making sure that these areas where the workers, in fact the factory workers, had been made to stay, they had all the supplies, they had all the food, they had everything that they needed to actually stay there for a long time. Since the past few days, we had been seeing several of the workers coming out on the streets in Surat and protesting and demanding that they be sent back to their hometowns, which is in Orissa, Bihar and UP as well. However, the collector had asked them to wait for a while, and they are trying to arrange something. But even then, we are seeing these kind of spontaneous protests that are breaking out. And in fact, all of these protests end up in the police or the COVID warriors being attacked and injured in the process of that as well. At least 10 people have been booked in this particular attack that took place, and all of them have been booked under Rioting and Disaster Management Act. And the police, of course, is also saying that they were only trying to make sure that all the supplies were there, but these workers came out of the places that they had been asked to stay in. They had been asked to actually quarantine themselves in, and then they came out and started pelting stones at the police officers, during the course of which, thankfully, none of the police officers has been injured, but 10 people have been booked for this kind of rioting there.
Okay. In fact, we'll stay with these pictures. It's not the first time. In fact, there have been, on a daily basis, I think it's a disturbing trend. Daily, we're reporting incidents of COVID warriors, frontline workers being targeted. And this incident from Surat, Gujarat, we are told that it was a rumor that sparked it. Is that correct? Is that the official version? Priyanka?
Well, yes, absolutely. A lot of these rumors had been flying on WhatsApp, a lot of forwarded messages that were going on saying that the police is targeting these people and then they're lathi charging upon these people. And that's why perhaps we see this kind of violent attack from these workers who had come out without being provoked out of the places that they're staying in, and they came out and started pelting stones on the police officers who were only trying to take stock of the situation, who were only in fact trying to help these workers get all the supplies that they needed to stay there for a longer duration of time. So you see the kind of rumor mongering that leads to these kind of violent attacks, and always the COVID warriors bear the brunt of these kind of fake messages and rumor mongering. Another incident of which we are now seeing in Surat, and several such incidents in the past as well had taken place in Surat and the Baroda as well, where the police officers and the hospital staff had been attacked by the civilians who had probably saw or heard some kind of fake message or rumor mongering about all of them coming for some other reason other than taking care of them.
Okay. Thank you for joining us with those inputs. Priyanka reporting on the attack on COVID warriors in Surat, Gujarat. Stone pelting on the police after a rumor on WhatsApp.